One of the most popular haircuts in barbershops is the taper fade haircut. The tapered haircut tapers around the head, gradually looking more shaved as it reaches the nape of the neck, creating a gradual fade effect. There are different degrees of a classic fade, from the distinctive-looking burst fade to intricate hairstyles, like the fades showcasing elaborate designs shaved in the hair. The timeless taper haircut is a personal preference and a fan favorite. Top 5 most popular types of fades ranked. There are many styling choices and haircuts with taper fades, and here are a few of our favorites. Taper fade. As a rule of thumb, the taper fade is cut from long to short, starting from top to bottom. It's a stylish look that works with curly hair or straight hair. Low fade. The low fade doesn't taper quite like the gradual taper fade, as the cut is subtler than the mid fade and high fade, but less subtle than the taper. It's a stylish, versatile cut that allows room to play with the length of the top of the hair. Mid fade. The mid fade lives between the low and high fade and starts to fade in the middle of the head. This sleek style is an excellent choice and works for any age. Contemporary pompadour fade. The classic pomp fade is an interesting combination of the pompadour with a timeless taper fade. The entire crown is covered in long hair, and just beneath the crown, the shaved hair tapers and fades. The dapper and daring appearance of this fade can take on many looks depending on the taper fade style. Different hair types and personal styles can influence the various types of taper hairstyles that look the most flattering. A gradual taper fade works with all types of hair textures. Why is the taper fade hairstyle so popular with men? The reason that men like fade haircuts are that they are clean-looking, fashionable, and low maintenance. Most people with this haircut only need a trim every few weeks. How to give a taper fade haircut. Anyone who wants to give a fade haircut to other people would have more success if they went to barber school. Most amateurs make mistakes when they attempt this haircut. Going to cosmetology school will ensure that the barber gives his clients high-quality results quickly and safely. The first step in giving this haircut is choosing the right clippers. Low-end clippers are a poor choice as they tend to pull hair instead of cutting it properly. A good pair of clippers will have a high-speed motor and adjustable blades. You can choose to use detachable blades, however, they aren't recommended as the barber will have to perform multiple blade swaps. Those dealing with skin or giving bald fades should consider using dedicated balding clippers or zero-gap trimmers. Invest in clipper guards. Follow these steps to give a proper fade haircut. Start at the baseline where the blending will begin. Blowout fades begin where the hairline starts, while low to medium fades start above the ears. Set the desired blade length on the clippers. Cut up the back of the head and the sides. When the fade line has been established, the barber should adjust their clippers and cut upwards. The instructions described above are a simple how-to guide for the DIY taper fade haircut. However, barbers who want to learn good techniques will need extensive training to achieve a clean fade that is professional looking. By enrolling in a barbering program at a cosmetology school, you can expertly achieve different types of taper fades and other popular hairstyles. From amazing taper fade haircuts, including the curly fringe fade or drop taper fade haircut, to more complex and artistic fades with designs, a barbering program can prepare you for any cut or style.